everyone, this is Sakura Yubi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Japanese curry. This is a dish that every Japanese loves and never gets tired of. Rumor has it that Ichiro, a former baseball player, used to eat his wife's curry every day. It's very delicious and easy to make. So let's get started. First, we're going to cook onions on a pan. Fry them on low to medium heat until they become translucent. Next, we add carrots and meat to the pan. I'm using chicken today, but you can use beef or pork as well. Fry them until the meat is cooked on the surface. We will add potatoes last, so we can avoid cooking them for too long and getting them melted. Now let's add some water and we'll let it simmer until the vegetables and the meat are soft. Okay, I have cooked it for about 20 minutes now and everything is cooked nicely and soft. If you're using beef or pork, you might want to cook longer. Now let's go ahead and add the potatoes and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes have passed. Now we're going to add Japanese curry roux. This is what gives that distinctive flavor and texture of Japanese curry. There are many roux products out there, so pick any you like. We Japanese usually like to mix 2 or 3 different kinds for a more complex flavor. I'm using 2 different kinds of roux today. They will melt easily and thicken the curry in about 5 to 10 minutes. Keep stirring and cook until you get the consistency you like. Once you get the consistency you like, check the taste and make final adjustments if you need it. Mine needed a little more depth, so I added soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. Some people like to also add honey. I tasted it again and it was perfect for me. And it was done. Let's pour it over rice and eat. I hadn't eaten Japanese curry for nearly a year, so I was really looking forward to eating it. And sure enough, it was so good. This is the flavor that I grew up with. It's not very spicy, it's actually gentle, delicious, and comforting. I think this is a dish that anyone would enjoy. So try it out and let me know how it went, okay? And that is it for today. Check out sakurayubi.com for the ingredient amounts. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe. It will mean the world to me. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!